Hello everyone, myself Amit Kumar, working as assistant professor in civil engineering department. Today we are going a new topics on types of chain used in surveying. Depending upon the length of chain, these are divided into following types. First is metric chain, second is steel band, third is Gunter chain, fourth is engineer chain, and fifth is revenue chain. So discuss about this type of chain. First is metric chain. Metric chain are most commonly used in India. This type of chain is length such as 5, 10, 20 and 30 meter. Most commonly used is 20-meter chain. Tallies are provided at every 2 meter of the chain for quick reading. Every link of this type of chain at 0.2 meter, the total length is marked on the brass handle at the end provided. Second is steel band or band chain. In this type of chain, narrow strip of steel of uniform width about 12 to 16 mm and thickness about 0.3 to 0.6 mm and chain divided into brass stud at every 20 centimeter. And in this type of chain, band chain I have graduated engraving has centimeter. In this steel band available in 20 and 30 meter width about 12 to 16 mm. Third is Gunter chain or surveyor chain. In this type of chain, a standard 66 feet, and this type of consists of 100 link, and each link is 0.66 feet. The length 66 feet selected because it convenient in land measurement. Engineer chain, and this type of chain having length so feet length, and it consists of so link, and each link being having 1 feet long. At every 10 link, brass ring and tag are provided indication of 10 link. Reading are taken in feet and decimal.